Good morning. Today is a beautiful new beginning, a fresh opportunity to step into the life you are creating. You are the creator of your own destiny. Listen to these positive affirmations while you get ready for your day and allow them to gently guide your thoughts and align your subconscious toward positivity, success, harmony, confidence, gratitude, joy, and abundance. The way you begin your morning shapes the rest of this beautiful day. Today is a great day. I welcome this day with an open heart. I am grateful to be alive today. I receive this morning as a fresh beginning. Today is filled with possibility. I allow myself to begin again. I am safe in this moment. I am exactly where I need to be. I trust the timing of my life. I move through today with calm confidence. Peace begins within me. I am worthy of love exactly as I am. I honor myself and my journey. I speak kindly to myself. I treat myself with compassion. My presence is valuable. I deserve rest, joy, and fulfillment. I accept myself fully. I release self-judgment. I am enough. I have always been enough. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I grow through every experience. I am proud of who I am becoming. I choose self-respect. I trust myself. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this body. I appreciate the lessons life gives me. Gratitude flows naturally through me. I notice beauty in everything. I welcome simple joys. I give thanks for abundance already present in my life. Every moment holds something to appreciate. I attract more reasons to feel grateful. My heart is open to appreciation. Abundance flows easily toward me. Opportunities find me effortlessly. I am open to receiving prosperity. Money flows to me through aligned work. I create value wherever I go. My gifts make space for abundance. There is more than enough for everyone, including me. I release scarcity thinking. I trust in limitless possibility. Success expands naturally in my life. I welcome unexpected blessings. I allow wealth in all forms. I receive support from the universe. My work creates positive impact. I am aligned with prosperity. Joy lives within me. I choose happiness today and always. I allow myself to feel light and free. I welcome laughter into my life. I radiate positive energy. My energy uplifts others. I enjoy being alive. I move through life with curiosity. I celebrate small victories. Joy is my natural state. I release control over what I cannot change. Life supports me. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. I trust the path ahead. I allow ease instead of force. I surrender to flow. I am guided toward what is meant for me. Challenges help me grow stronger. I meet uncertainty with courage. I trust myself to handle whatever comes. I am becoming the person I've always dreamed of. My future is bright and expansive. I take aligned action daily. All of my dreams are possible. I believe in my vision. I attract aligned people and opportunities into my life. I step confidently into my purpose. I create a life I love waking up to every day. Each day moves me closer to fulfillment. My life is unfolding beautifully. I inhale confidence. I exhale doubt. I inhale gratitude. I exhale fear. I inhale abundance. I exhale limitation. I am capable. I am supported. I am abundant. I am love. Today I choose presence. Today I choose growth. Today I choose joy. I carry this energy with me into the rest of my day.